Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Happy New Year, since this is the first time we're seeing each other again. This video is about looking back at 2021 and looking forward to 2022. In 2021, I created two DIY fashion mood boards, one for spring summer and one for fall winter. Things that I placed on my spring fashion mood board was the seam, was the seam work dress, the Mesa seam work dress, the Just Pattern Claudia Tank, the puppy dress by Mood Society, the Kim Design dress right here off the shoulder, and the Zimmerman inspired dress. I just placed them here as props. I'm going to put pictures so you guys can see. Those are the projects that I created for the spring and summer. Everything that I had on my board, all of them I managed to make and finish. The Zimmerman dress was a lot of work. I'm not doing that again. I have to forget this before I do that again. For my fall and winter, I have Knip Mode Dress 17 on there, Stitch by You dress, the Citrus Dress Hack, this number right here, from Mood Society. We have a fashion style mini skirt, not done yet, but here she is. And what I really wanted to emphasize on this one was the zipper. I managed to film that part, so I'm definitely looking forward to sharing that part with you. And we have the Burda upcycle, which, you know, the lining is still somewhere in the back there. What do you have to look forward from me in 2022? Well, the first 6 months is going to be very, very busy in my real life. And so, nothing. No, just kidding. You guys are going to, at least I'm going to try to upload every other week. And I'm going to be uploading some old projects that I finished but never filmed. And you're going to get Little Red Dress because Irma warms my heart. Irma is fabulous. And she won us a prize. She won us a prize in the Little Red Dress Challenge of 2021. And so we're very proud of Irma. What I want to do is in the coming 6 months, I want to take you along my DIY lingerie journey. And last year I started to sew my own undies as well as bralettes. And I remember I did share something on here, the one that I couldn't breathe in. That was a fail, but it was only uphill from there. And that's what I want to share with you. Those are some smaller projects, not less intense though. But some of them might be very easy to make, other might take some time, but it will be a little easier for me to sew in one sitting and take you along with me behind the scenes, giving you tips if you want to start trying to sew your own. And I made a few sets already. I've been rocking them, and so I can help you along if you are interested in making your own undies. And also creating kits that I make for myself personally, that I show you how I put those together, what I'm thinking about, where I'm shopping. So it will be fun to take you along with me on those. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Have a blessed and uplifting year. I hope that you are safe. I hope your family is safe. I hope that you can stay positive in whatever challenges comes your way. And as always, you know, hit me down in the comments if you have any questions or just want to say hey. I love to interact with you guys. I love to hear from you guys. You can also find me on Instagram. I'm there at Mrs. Buitenbeentje, but I have the link in my description box. Check me on there. You can check me on Facebook, Mrs. Buitenbeentje there as well. And my email is also in the description box, or I think in the about my channel. If you just want to say something personal or write me a personal email, I'll definitely make time. Have a great day. Bye.